Stretch for the get this. You. If he's not down yet, that you have to follow up. So this spike now becomes an attachment to the side. When I have an attachment, I will go to a new stimuli. Understand what I just did? I just slapped him high, spiked him maybe here, and he's still not down yet. Strong guy. Now I want to overwhelm him with the new principle, the principle of high and low. I just attacked him high, I just attacked him midline. Now I want to try to do the low line stimuli. So what I don't want to do is when I spike here, why not go from this to that? And you want to do it as hard as possible, a concussive clinch. If the spike's not available because he turned away, you just spike and you fucking grab him as hard as you can. The point of the whole spike is to protect yourself, and maybe you're lucky you hit something. Don't think about it, just do it. Become active in your protection. But I want to go from here, I'll find the nearest weapon, I will find an attachment. Now I would load up a knee, I will smash him in the groin, and I'll smash him on the floor. Again, simulated level 10. So what I need now is you going from spike to groin. Yeah. I will build up a little bit slower in the beginning. I don't want to destroy it, I know. I like it, I know. So, a little bit away from the wall. Because now, think more elastic energy. So you get the spike, and this becomes an attachment, and you go to snatch for the floor. Now you get the takedown, the snatch. Very cool, right? You okay? But even when I don't have t-shirt, I can grab the neck. Point is, if I went from the slap to the spike, so you get this in. This becomes an incidental strike. You want to hit him. It's painful, but you want to shock him in the head. Now load up, and now go to 1, 2 knees. That brings his head forward. Now you can open the gate, snatch him on the floor, or wreck him on the floor. Then you're more throw. Don't overthink that. Just do it. Can we work to that? Yep. If I do this, nothing will happen with an eye knot. You will stand like this. But if I could first shock him on the high line, now low line, this will bring at least that. Now he is possible to snatch. If you ride the energy like this, then I would suggest to do one time without the pad. You will go, oh, because if you go inside and I spike him, if I'm ended up here, this is a short restricted strike, it's an incidental strike, right? Don't waste by grabbing. Now you're wasting energy. You can't recover from that. I want to go from spike to, it's the other way around, boom, go to, if it's in the middle, I grab him as hard as I can. Everything is painful. Hit, 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 right? Everything is annoying. You need to train that more often. I cannot give this in today's seminar, but understand the principle. Hurt him. He shouldn't recover from the hit. So you can listen, you can do it with a short energy, right? Some people do this. There's different ways you can knee. Walking violent is when you knee and put the foot down. That is a way to get out of situation. I would do it like this, right? Or you can load up the shot and then get a strong base back. But then look at the energy. If I found a side pinch, I'm not doing this. I will get in and get this power shot in, okay? And he's a heavy dude. So I want you to bring this knuckle, same as with the elbow, smash and get it in, or smash and get strong again, but you want to make him fly. So there's 9 out of 10 times when I use this shit, no need for a snatch. The snatch is for the strong guy, athletic guy like him, standing still. Now you snatch him. But the energy from the knee is different than when you give spiking. Spiking is different. But the knee, you have all the body mechanics to scoop it up. Explosive. So then you get this, from this position, I slap, get in, attachment, get this in, you break base. That's as simple as it can be. If you can generate the effect, thanks. No.